Hello, everyone. My name is Garth Fisher, Senior Solutions Engineer here at Martello Technologies, and thank you for watching our use case video. Today, I'll be talking about Teams device compliance and how to monitor that easily. As you know, multiple devices can be used to access Teams. Bring your own device is often the norm, and it is often complex to have a good understanding of how Teams is accessed and if devices are causing issues or not. The first thing you need to do is have an overview of the devices causing issues. So let's take a look at that. So in our network focus dashboard that you see here, you can see the top 5 devices with issues, as you can see down here at the bottom. This shows the most problematic OS types. Clicking on anyone like Linux, for example, you'll get to see where they have the issues on the map. As you can see, everything just adjusted. You'll see how people connect to Teams with those devices and what are the cities right here with the most issues. And lastly, what the network issues they are experiencing. So right away, you already have a good idea of what to do next. Now, if you want to focus on mobile devices themselves, you can go to our dedicated Teams mobile device board, which I have open here. Here we can see that what phones are used during mobile Teams calls, which the OS types, as well as the models, which are causing the most issues, as well as where. So if we were to click on this first one here, everything again will readjust, and we can see what's going on closer with this device. So we can see, who's using it right here, where they're using it from. Here's the city, the type of problem, the ISP that is being used with this device, and all that sort of information. So it's a very good tool to qualify mobile device issues with Microsoft Teams. So now let's say you have a policy at your company saying that only certified Teams devices are supported, and you want to be alerted when non-certified devices are used and create issues. Well, for that, we're gonna go into our alert configuration page, which is right here. And here you see several different boards, but we also have a specific group for devices that are not compliant, as you can see right here. And of course, this group can be fully customized based on your device policy. So if we click into this board here, now we will see, non-compliant devices and who's using them. Devices such as ones that are not headsets that are not recommended, for example, that maybe have caused problems in the past. You'll see some of those here in green, and the ones with an active alert are in red. So if we click on one of the first ones here for Alain Dubois, let's go into that here. You can see a historic view of all the calls that were made, right, from this particular device and all the issues that the user could be experiencing. So here you see the full list out of everything, the use date, all the calls, a full breakdown of every single thing and the issues as well as the times for any poor calls that they may have had. So if we also click in on the alert from Mr. Alain here, we see all the characteristics of this active alert, and also enables us to understand the full root cause of the problem. So if we just scroll down and look here and see, so we can see the final code phrase here that says that the SBC had an issue. So in this case, again, it's clearly the SBC that had a problem for this Teams call. So each time you want to, create a group, you can decide how you want to be alerted, right? So you can decide if you want a notification for each time, Vantage DX finds a user with a certain condition, or when you find that condition with a percentage of users. You choose. This is what makes our tool flexible and limits the alert storms that you could be facing. So thank you for joining me. Here you just saw how Vantage GX transforms your Team CQD data into the most flexible alerting and reporting tool that exists right now, enabling you to detect and report on any property of any type of call made by your users. So thanks again for watching and stay tuned for more videos.